Hi, it's Kathleen Bailey from Bailey Academy. Canadian mom of 5, homeschooling 3 of them, ages 8, 11, and 15. Today I wanted to share you more about Creation Crate. They are a company that ships project boxes to your door in more than one category for your kids to do, or I suppose adults could do them too. They have boxes in electronics, beginner, and electronics challenger, engineering, and chemistry. Engineering and chemistry are recommended for ages 10 and up. The other electronics ones are 12 and up. So we have the chemistry one. We were sent it for review. So when you get it, what it is you choose your plan. You can receive new experiments monthly or get the entire course all at once, delivered directly to your door with all the needed chemicals, tools, supplies, and everything that you need. And you can learn by doing. So there are 20 different experiments for the chemistry course. And I'm going to share what I got in the box. We have not used it yet. It'll be another review of the actual how it went. My daughter's not doing chemistry until next semester, so maybe like February would be a good review about this. All right, the first thing they sent us is their starter kit, so it's just bigger. And in the starter kit, first of all, there's a little bit of how it works. Don't lose the starter kit. You need this throughout all your experiments, what it includes, some warning, and adult supervision required, that sort of thing. Little tiny notebook which has more further information. Safety requirements, first aid measures, information for parents, frequently asked questions, that sort of thing. Comes with a tray to do your stuff on. 2 pairs of safety glasses because you're supposed to do this with adult supervision. So one for you, one for your child. And a cute little bag, or 2 bags I should say, to keep them in. A funnel. A glass beaker with a stopper, with a rubber stopper. A stand for, well, it looks like the tablet stand I have, so I'm not sure if that's what it's for. Does it say? Yep, smartphone tablet stand. So that if you need to watch a video while you do it, you can have that. All right, this, don't know what exactly it is. I don't know what this is. It's very interesting, whatever it is. I don't know what that is. I can't find it on the list. It's a tray, beaker. There's a plastic beaker and a glass beaker, glass flask, disposable cup, rubber stopper, funnel. Maybe it's the macro lens. I don't know. Here's plastic cups, glass beaker, rubber plastic beaker. All those that I mentioned already. And what's this? Little tiny bag here. And it has, oh, this is the macro lens for your smartphone. So it clips onto your, there's 2 lenses here. Clips onto your phone so you can use it to see things up close, I guess. I don't know, have to figure that one out. Read the instructions. Sounds interesting. That's your starter kit. Alright, so let's put the tray back and the instruction manual back. Alright. In addition to that, they also sent Micro Bright Plus Pocket Microscope. Literally pocket microscope, it's tiny. So I haven't figured out how that works yet, but looks like you change the, like 60 times, 120 times. It's got a little light, and obviously needs batteries. Takes AA batteries. Well, one AA battery. So I'll have to play with that and show you that in February to figure out how that works. Sounds cool. And also, came separate for some reason, some pH test paper. It's a little packet of that. Alright, in addition to that, I got 10 boxes. Each box is a lesson. It has on the back lesson 1, lesson 2. So if you have it sent every week, you will get a box every week, I think, or every 2 weeks. But if I had it all sent at once, so I got it all at once. In each box is enough stuff to do 2 experiments. So it says here, lesson 1, welcome to Creation Crate Months 1 project, the periodic table of elements. Go to creationcrate.com/classroom, sign in and create an account, and use this coupon code to get to the course. So this includes a sticker for fun, and rubber gloves, mixer things, little, look like what used to be tea light things to put stuff in, and it comes with all the chemicals that you need. So just a little bit of copper powder, tin powder, zinc powder, magnesium strips, and hexamethylene tetramine. No idea. So this is enough to do, I think, the experiment twice. Oh, and one of these 2-ended clips that bends. It's kind of cool. You could obviously use that for other things when you're done. So that's lesson 1. Lesson 2 feels a little heavier. It's about metals and reactivity. Includes a lot more chemicals, as well as these cords, gloves, of course, one of these, and 4 plastic test tube things that go into it, and some more electronic pieces, DC cords and stuff like that. Some yellow fabric strips, I guess, what they are. I don't know. Sounds interesting. And again, everyone has this card that shows you where to go, where to find the lesson. The video will show you what to do. You follow along with the video with your tablet or your phone. And you use the code. So each one has different stuff in it depending on what you're supposed to learn. So lesson 3 has more chemicals and more gloves and more test tubes, as well as some tin foil and some medicine type things. This one's about reactivity series. Month 1 project. Lesson 4, chemical reactions and energy changes. It's quite a bit in here. Lots of chemicals and gloves, of course. The batteries and electronic pieces, test tubes, not test tubes, sticks and tweezers and pipettes and stuff like that. A little tea light, and what's this called? A petri dish. A couple other things in here, so that looks fun. Ooh, lesson 5 is quite heavy. Oh, that's why. Because lesson 5 is about experimenting with endothermic and exothermic reactions, and includes rocks and dust, rock dust, chemicals, some of the same general things, corkboard, chemicals and products. Like, these aren't all liquid. A lot of these are, like, this is calcium chloride, so it's like a form, non-liquid form. A lot of these are non-liquid forms, even though they look like they're in a liquid bottle. The way I'm going to be using these is I have chemistry textbooks that my daughter is going to use to do general chemistry, but once or twice a week, we will do lab experiments with these so that we can be learning along with what we're learning, learn in a fun way. The effects of temperature and a catalyst on the rate of reaction. This has H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, tubes of hydrogen peroxide, gloves, chemicals, stirring sticks, petri dishes. A lot of these things can be reused again if they're not using dangerous chemicals, which they aren't really because they're for kids. And so we'll be keeping them in our chemistry box to be used for future other, things we do. Lesson 7 is about Redux reactions. Gotta say, I don't really know what that means. Guess we'll have to learn. It looks like it's a lot of the same stuff as before, maybe used in different ways. Really full of stuff. Lesson 8. Investigating oxidation reduction reactions. Some sort of cotton pieces and plastic tubing. I like that each one includes gloves and that they give you those glasses at the beginning, because it's really important to teach your kids safety, and you don't want to be like, let's do a safety experiment, let's do a science experiment, and just throw everything around. So I'm also going to teach when I teach my younger kids about chemistry, especially, older ones should already know this, about making sure your area is clear, making sure you have something to put out a fire in case there's a fire, that sort of thing. Lesson 9 is acids and alkalis. Again, very similar box, so I'm not going to show much in there. And number 10 is experimenting with starch. And again, it's a lot of the same stuff, but for different experiments, obviously. So I'm not going to use to be all the same. I like that this is all put together for me. I don't have to go on Google or Pinterest, look up science experiments related to what my daughter's learning at the time. That, oh, I don't have that. I don't know where to find that item. Or, okay, well, we have those items, but we don't have the, tubes or the petri dishes or stuff like that. Now, the price of the chemistry course all the courses are a bit hefty, but it depends on your budget. If you're not able to afford this, then obviously it's not for you. But if you are able to afford it, I highly recommend it, especially if your child is really into chemistry, engineering, or electronics. And because you can subscribe monthly, you don't have to have that large amount all at once. So you can subscribe for as low as $30 a month. There's $30 a month, you get the 20 plus a $25 starter kit one-time charge plus shipping. And then you do only $30 a month after that, you get 2 experiments per month. Or you can get all 20 experiments plus the starter kit and shipping just for the one amount of $300 billed once. You also get the online video lessons, and also you have email, video, and call support. So if you're having trouble, you're not getting the right results, or you don't really understand what to do with something, you can email, video chat, or call them at any time to get an answer. So that is really awesome. I like that. So I will show a clip of the website in a minute so that you can see some of the tests that we're going to be doing. But I just wanted to mention, it says, do I need any prior experience? No experience necessary. You can start the course as a complete beginner. The chemistry course, like all, is progressively challenging, so each experiment lesson builds on prior knowledge. Adult supervision is required. Experiments are safe, but some experiments involve an open flame or mixing chemicals, so should be in the presence of an adult. The online classroom gives you step-by-step instructions, detailed video demonstrations, and one-on-one guidance. Shows you how to conduct each experiment so you never feel lost. The electronics ones look really cool. You need to make a mood lamp, a memory game, a distance detector, a weather station, a lockbox, a handheld balance game. That's just the beginner one. There's more than that too. The challenger one, for ones who have done the little stuff, can make a digital clock, a Bluetooth speaker, a rover bot, a weather station, as crazy. And the engineering, you learn mechanics, electronics, and control. So yeah, I just wanted to share that for you today. Before I actually go, I'm going to show you the website, so just stay there for a second while I turn you around. So here's the Creation Crate website. And you can see this is the chemistry one here. And here's some experiments that you can do. The flame test. See, a flame changes color when different elements are added to it. Burning magnesium, lemon battery, galvanic cell, metal contest, another metal contest, chemical warmer, thermal chameleon, oxyhydrogen, crumpled bottle, chemical frost, pure oxygen, zinc carbon battery, tin electrolysis, magic paper, blue bottle, magic liquid, acidic patterns, food starch, and Egyptian night. They sound very interesting. So you can go to creationcrate.com and shop courses to find the one that you want. And you go to the one you want, you just go to get it and choose your plan. Very simple. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. So I did, in full disclosure, I did receive it, the box for review, and I'll be giving the proper review in February. But it does look really cool, and I do recommend it if you're trying to teach your kids chemistry, electronics, or engineering. So that was it for today. Please like and subscribe and support my channel, and leave a comment, especially if you have your own channel. I would love to watch your videos too. Thanks. Bye.